This is the 6040 twin station heat press, and in this video I'm going to show you how it works. First thing, you guys need to make sure that your air pipe is plugged in for the compressor. You guys will need a compressor to use this machine. Right, first thing, you guys are going to press the power button. From there you just push this button to be setting the temperature, so you can go higher or you can go lower. From there, you just press this button again to move to seconds. You can either go lower or higher on it. I prefer 55 seconds. And there you have it. Now you are ready to do your pressing. Once you've established that, you can choose between manual and automatic. So if you want to go with manual, you need to bring it to your pressing station. You say, press the start button, you manually make it go to the heat press. Then if you want it done, you can put it up. If you go to automatic, you need to press it in, then it's on automatic mode and everything is done for you. For example. And then the countdown starts. Once it's done pressing, you will hear a beeping sound and it will automatically bounce up. From here, you guys can move it to the next station and start pressing your next t-shirt while you are preparing this t-shirt. You'd be pleased to know that each station does come with a crossed head laser beam for your alignment of the designings on your t-shirts. And then finally, you guys can adjust your air regulator to make sure that it is not pressing too hard or too soft. Oh, and one more thing, just make sure that it is aligned, otherwise your pressing station will move automatically by itself. So now you guys also know how the 6040 twin station heat press works. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll catch you in the next one.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit AM.CO.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.